and I will show you how to install it back in now. So to install the silvercross onto the frame, the seat, here first will be on the bottom. Maybe, no, actually it's easier if it's onto the trolley itself, like this. Good. Now pull in it, and then go around here and here, and if you can just with the camera, you need to pull on the handle, take it up like this. There is a velcro on the bottom that you need to put in. Now here on the side there is a few tabs. I'll take it out now. This one you need to take around like this. This is how the belt sits. It's double-sided here, so it's not tearing. And there is a special washer. If you don't have a special washer, you can, but make sure you know what. The washer is bent, so it covers the curve on the pipe itself. There we go, it's strong now. Through here, otherwise the belt will disengage here. So don't forget the screw. And that's it, that's how to assemble it back together. I hope the video has been helpful to you, and we'll see you on to the next one. Bye bye.